Extension request. Understanding the phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, extension request. It's a common phrase used in various contexts, and understanding it can be quite beneficial. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's get started. Extension request refers to the act of asking for more time to complete a task or obligation. It's often used in academic, professional, and bureaucratic settings. For example, a student might request an extension on a paper's due date, or an employee might ask for more time to finish a project. This phrase is important because it shows the ability to manage time and responsibilities effectively. Extension. This part of the phrase refers to the act of extending or adding more time to an existing deadline. Request. This is the act of politely or formally asking for something. When combined, extension request implies a formal or polite ask for additional time. 1. Academic context. Students may use it to ask for more time on assignments. 2. Workplace. Employees might use it when needing more time for projects or tasks. 3. Formal writing. It's often used in emails or letters to sound polite and professional. 4. Verbally. Can also be used in conversations but should be clear and respectful. Tip. Always provide a reason for your request and if possible, suggest a new deadline. 1. Due to unforeseen circumstances, I am submitting an extension request for the project deadline. 2. Can I file an extension request for my essay due next week? These examples help in understanding how the phrase fits into everyday communication. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of extension request. Remember, it's all about asking for more time in a polite and formal manner. Use it appropriately in your academic, professional, or personal life. Thanks for watching, and we hope this has been helpful in your English learning journey.